as a woman, you know they come. Like this come where I dey talk. I need to carry my voice down for this video because it's quite serious issue. If you know they come as a woman, you are going through a lot. Don't allow anybody or social media to deceive you. That is not it. It doesn't worth it. Like, there are a lot of things in life everybody's going through. We are talking about how to make money. We are talking about how to, my darling sister, they're saying I'm waiting body chop. Now they carry go grave. You see those your money, you're not going to carry them to anywhere. So if you know they come, I have a recipe for you. A recipe. And I want you to be very diligent with it. And other things where you go add joiner. Number one, you go get Gorotula. If you know the come is not nice, please share this video. You are going through a lot, that's why you diverse. I'm so sad. Get Gorotula. Soak it for some for inside water. For some, soak it very well. Make sure it's soaked very well. Like you can feel the water. Like the thing is more like fermented. You can see say water they don't change color. You carry them, drain it out. You carry the water, drain it out. After draining it out, you add milk, any type of milk where you get. See, I know they teach you cherry cambia. Any type of milk where you get, add them. When you add this milk, this thing where they teach you, not be say you go just do one once and you expect the melody everywhere go there. You go do like do them like say you do, like normal thing where you they take. You understand? After where you don't take them, when you reach time for opwe, try raise your leg, open your mind. Some of your mind is stuck with a lot of things. Now make your body, your hormones not feel open to welcome and for you to release. Shey you dey hear me? If you don't, I'm saying this thing will work very well for you. Don't forget to come and take more tips. Share this video, and if you're a woman, you know they come, you know they experience climax. You are going through a lot. You know, as I carry my voice down to this video, I don't want men to hear this. You are going through a lot. No matter what a man is going through, you go try collect some more opwe. Make they calm himself down. Opwe has a lot of health benefit. No, they do like say you know need that.